Alright, this is your lesson on adding integers. So we are going to first off start with doing number lines to find the sums. Your first problem is to add 2 plus 3. You always need to start at 0, so I just make a little line there. First move is 2, which means we have to go 2 to the right. From here we want to add 3, so we're still going to be moving to the right, so we draw another line to start and move 3 more over, 1, 2, 3, which takes us to 5. Our answer is 5. In the next one we want to add negative 4 plus 7, start at 0. To get to negative 4 we have to travel left on our number line. So we go left 4 places. We want to add 7, which tells us to move 7 spaces to the right. You're going to start here. I just go ahead and count on the number line just to help. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to stop here, connect my line. My final answer brings me to 3. And the next one I'm going to add negative 5 plus 6. Start at 0, travel left over to negative 5. Adding the 6 will make me move 6 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know I'm going to end at 1. So draw in my other line on the number line. Negative 5 plus 6 is 1. Last example here, start at 0, go to negative 4. Add 2 means move 2 to the right, which is going to make me end at negative 2. Sorry, that wasn't the last one. Negative 1 plus negative 4, start at 0, go left to negative 1. We want to add 4 more negatives, so we move over 4 to negative 5. When we talk about doing this, we're not going to always use number lines, so we need to know some rules. When signs are the same, you want to make sure you add the numbers and keep the sign. There's a little saying that goes with that. Add the numbers, keep the sign, say to yourself a million times. When the signs are different, you actually subtract the smaller number from the bigger and you keep the sign of the bigger. That kind of gets a little wordy and confusing, so I think about it as a battle. Who's going to have more, the positives or the negatives, and how many do they win by? So how many more do they have? First example, negative 7 plus negative 3. Same signs, add the numbers, keep the sign, so it's a negative 10. In number 2, we see the war example, 8 plus a negative 4. 8s are positives, 4 are negatives. There's more positives, so our answer is going to be positive, and there's actually 4 more. Think about it, this team has 8, this team has 4. They have 4 more, positive 4 is your answer. 8 plus a negative 2, you're at war, the positives are going to win, and they're going to win by 6, because they have 6 more than this team. Negative 9 plus a negative 10, they're both negative, add the numbers, keep the sign. Negative 4 plus negative 5, add the numbers, keep the sign. Negative 4 plus 16 is going to give you 12. The positive guys win, and they win by 12.